In the picture below, angle DEF is 56 degrees, angle ACB is 114, AB is 12.6 units, JK is 5.32 units, point E is on line L, and point I is off of line L. Let there be a reflection across line L. Reflect and label each of the figures and answer the questions that follow. In a reflection, we don't have to extend the line, but we do have to make sure that we trace over it. And to keep it straight, I'm going to use a straight edge. You do not want to extend past the line. You want to make sure you only get the line in your trace. Don't go any farther because then you will not be able to match it up when you flip it over. So this is point E. Be very careful not to move the tracing paper when you're copying your pieces. The most important parts are the points. When we reflect, it's important that we flip these things across the line instead of upside down. So we're flipping our paper along the line. So you take it and you would flip it over this way. Then we are going to make sure that our end of our line matches up with the end of our line on the original paper, and that it lines up that way as well. Now we're going to color back over those points. Oh, that's the original. The reflection is over here. The nice thing about when you reflect is once your pencil marks are on the other side of the paper, if you go back over them, it kind of puts a ghost image on there that you can use as a guideline. Okay, now we're going to label them. So C was here, which means C prime is going to go here. A was there, so this will be A prime. B will be B prime. This was originally point D, so this one needs to be called D prime. F will be called F prime. This one is J prime and K prime. This one will be I prime. And E prime is right there on that line. Now looking at question 2, it says, what is the measure of the reflection of angle DEF? So if we were to measure this angle here, what would we get? And so if we extend this one out, it comes out to 56 degrees. And why do we think that is? Reflections preserve angle measure. 3 says, what is the length of JK? So this was 5.3, so what is it going to be here? This is not a specific type of unit, so we can't necessarily use centimeters or inches because we don't know what type it is. But we know that reflections preserve angle measure, so they preserve distance as well. So 5.32 units, because rigid motion preserves distance. What is the measure of the angle ACB? So this was originally 114. Oops, you can't see that, 114. So the measure of A prime, C prime, B prime is 114 degrees also. And the length of AB was originally 12.6. So this one will be 12.6 units. 2 figures in the picture were not moved under the reflection. Name the 2 figures and explain why they were not moved. E and E prime lined up in the exact same spot. And the line L, when we flipped it over, lined up in the same spot as well. So point E and line L did not move because they are on the line of reflection. Seven. Connect points I and I prime. Name the point of intersection Q. What do you know about the lengths of IQ and IQ prime? Meaning this piece here and this piece here. What do you notice about the lengths? They are both the same distance from line L. So IQ and IQ prime are the same distance.